get some gas because I'm running low right now.
It ain't got no gas in it.
I hope y'all are having a good day. I hope y'all are seshing on something good. Let me know in the comments what y'all are smoking on today. Or I mean, if you ain't smoking and you're just here just to hang out, like, let me know how things are going. Are you doing okay today?
I'm afraid to go far. Would you afraid to go far?
Like, if y'all are from around my area, then y'all know about all of the flooding and all of that shit that went on, I think. I don't know if it was 62 or 69 that was closed, but what the hell is that? Oh, there's something in the road. I think somebody had a blowout or something. That's what it looks like. Freaking my mother-in-law, she's trapped from the water. Freaking a lot of people are right now, but it's starting to go down a little bit. I will try to find some resources. Like, if I can find any resources for anybody that's like struggling, like if you live around my area or whatever by chance and you know something's happened, like you're struggling or whatever, I'm gonna try to find those resources. We'll catch up with y'all in a little bit whenever I get to the store.
Lights they flicker and the candles glitter like you're in a thriller. Heart goes pound, pound, pound. Ghostly figures, they can get so bitter. Sure you want to until you can turn back. You don't know where I've been. What's going on inside? Where the monsters like to come alive, come alive. Do you really wanna know me? I'm really not that cozy. It's up to you, so you decide, you decide. Would you love me at my worst till the coffin's in the dirt? Try to break me like a curse, you know that will never work. I'm a little bit absurd.
At least the stove is clean now.
Anyone can love a pretty little mansion, but could you love a haunted, haunted house? Or could you love me now? A haunted, haunted. I'm a haunted house. If you're just take it out. A haunted, haunted. I'm a haunted house.
I know, it was fucking packed at the McDonald's and it's packed here too. Bit far. Look at my windshield though. I'm like, fuck. We're too stoned to go in.
Little Reese's Fluffer Mutter.
A medium chocolate chip cookie dough blizzard and a medium dipped strawberry cheesecake blizzard.
I could like screenshot some pictures, babe. He ain't paying attention.
They got new dip.
Get your warm breakfast daily at Dairy Queen. That does not sound right if y'all hear that on my car. I'm waiting for the moment when I get it handed to me so that I'll have it on tape.
So you're gonna turn it upside down and everything for y'all?
I wish they still did that. They don't do that no more. Not at ours. Oh my gosh, there's actually strawberries in here, y'all. Look at that shit. I get it. Like, literally, like, I've just been feeling horrible these past few days. Just, like, fucking fatigued. Like, nose been stopped up. Woke up with a headache this morning. It's just not been a fun time. Like, let me know, like, what kind of videos are y'all wanting to see from me. I know that somebody had requested an unedited smoke sesh, which I plan on doing today. I'm finally gonna do it. I'm gonna put it in this video. Like, I'll put a little timestamp in the video if you want to skip to the unedited sesh.
Broken windows and a warning scribbled on my wall saying that you better turn around. Be the first to try to burn me down. You're blue, you too. Would you love me at my worst till the coffin's in the dirt? Try to break me like a curse, you know that will never work. I'm a little bit absurd, dancing on the verge. You
I'm sorry if anybody's disappointed, you know, because this is going to be unedited. I'm not editing this at all. So, I'm sorry if I don't talk or anything, because, yeah. But let's get her lit. For them. I think we're good. Should be good. But yeah, I hope y'all are doing good. I hope y'all are, you know, smoking on something good. And I'm sorry about the noise. My car is literally shit, so I'm just exhausted. I really am. And this was just like a little roach. It ain't even a full blunt. What's y'all's favorite? Like, do y'all prefer sativas, hybrid, or indica? I personally prefer sativa. I don't like being put to sleep. Indica, you gonna be in the couch. In the couch. Yep. But, like, if I do smoke a hybrid, it's gotta be, like, sativa dominant. It's gotta be a sativa dominant hybrid, or else I won't smoke it. Truck came up behind me, zooming. They must have been freaking flying, because whenever I pulled out, there wasn't nobody coming. People want to fucking ride my ass all the time, and it's like, why? Like, what for? Like, I literally got somebody in front of me. I can't go any faster, bro. So much, like a motherfucker being on my ass. It's like shit for. Especially, you know, when I'm trying to smoke and just vibe, like it's just not even fun. waiting on you, bro. Oh, he had a dog on his bike. That's so cute. Oh. We getting down to the nitty gritty now, where every hit burns your lips. Ooh, let's miss that. And I wonder, are you somebody that keeps your roaches when they get this little, or are you throwing them out? Because personally, most of the time I'm throwing them out. But if I'm in a situation where I ain't got very much left, then I will save them and I can make me a roach blunt out of it.